Hi guys, in this video we're gonna talk about Facebook not working on Google Chrome. Yes, this could be a quite problem for you, but don't worry about it. We are here to show you how to fix this problem. Firstly, when you're on your browser, what you need to do, you need to take sure that it's on your desktop side. When you get up into your desktop side, get back to a new tab, go on the three dots, and now you're gonna find out all these options. Go for settings, and when you get up into these settings, when you scroll down, you're gonna find out options which are related to the main point of this video, in which is set site settings. Go for that section. Here you're gonna find out all these sections which are getting allowed on this site. Now, as you can see here, you don't have that option to get up into this loading option. Get back. Now what you need to do, simply you need to find out the applicationable setup to get and clear cache. If you don't find out right here on your browser, simply get off from this site, go to your settings on your phone, go down, go for applications, go manage applications, and on the search box type for Google Chrome. Now also, if you don't find these options here, just type on Chrome. Then as you can see right there, you have clear data. Just click on it, go for clear cache, go OK, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.